welcome back to the channel. Well, today I'm just gonna feed the chickens and the pigs and get to doing some work around the house. Now stay tuned and come join me. Kind of low on some pig feed here. This is sweet feed until it's mixed. Some more. Well, let's see their reaction. I walk up. Morning, girls. What's up, boys? What y'all doing? Clean up around here. There's too much junk in there. Get back, boys. Come on, get back. What y'all doing? Huh? What's up, boys? What's up? What y'all doing, boys? What y'all hungry? Huh? You hungry? What is it, man? What, Boris? What is it? What is it, buddy? You fussing at me? Hey, you poor chop. Look at Boris. Here you go. Morning, boys. What y'all doing? You hungry? There she is. There's the little lady. Let's see if we can find us a snake in here today. Hopefully not. I don't see any snake. I had a problem with snakes. And then took one off and then had another one come up. I hate to have to shoot them, but looks like I'm going to have to. But that's how life is.
Down and left me there.
As you can see, it would take me all day to do that. I need a tractor with a front end loader or a dozer to push all this back up. But this thing got neither one of them. It's the old hard manual way. So I'm tired, and it's about the best I'm gonna get it right now. It's better than it was in big old ruts, but it's still got to be compacted down. So, but it's getting there. So appreciate y'all watching, and oh, by the way, happy holidays, all you guys out there. I hope y'all have a good one. Thank you for watching. Subscribe and like. Have a good day.